Hello viewers, in my previous video I have said that in my subsequent video will post division method of finding out LCM and HCF. Now here today I will present before you the finding of HCF by division method. There are two cases you may come across. One, the HCF of two numbers or HCF of more than two numbers. So first I will discuss how to find out HCF of two numbers. Let us take two numbers here, 161 and 345. So divide 345 by 161. Basically, the smaller number is becoming divisor and the larger number is becoming the dividend. So if you are dividing, so it comes to 322. So subtract 322. When you multiply 161 by 2, you are getting 322. So on subtracting you are getting 23, and this 23 is now becoming divisor. So you are dividing 161 by 23. So if you multiply 23 with 7, you are getting directly 161. So remainder is 0. Therefore 23 is the HCF of 161 and 345. Now in second case, HCF of three numbers, let us take 136, 170 and 255. So any two numbers you can take, smaller will be the divisor and larger will be the dividend. Here 136, once only you put over here, and on subtracting you are getting 34. Now by 34 you divide 136, you are getting 0 here. So 34 becomes the HCF of 136, 170. With this 34 you divide 255, you will be getting like that earlier one, 34 7s are 238, you are getting 17 as remainder, and now this 17, by this 17 you divide 34. So on subsequent division you are getting 0 here, so no remainder. Now the HCF is 17. So HCF is 17 for 136, 170 and 255. Find LCM of 12, 15, 20 and 27 by division method. So let us put 12, 15, 20 and 27 in a line and find out a number which is common to at least two numbers to be divided. So 3 is the number which can be factor of 12, 15 and 27. So 4, 5, 20 as it is, it will come, we will carry forward, and 9. So now 2 is the common number which can divide 4, 20. So 4, 2, 5 as it is, we will carry forward, 20 we are getting 10, and 9 as it is, we will carry forward. Let me remind you, the number should be prime number. Now 5 is the number which can divide 5 and 10. So 5 is also a prime number. So you are getting 2, 1, 2 and 9 after division. Now 2 is the number by which you can divide this 2 and this 2. You are getting 1, 1, 1 and 9 as it is. Now multiply 2, 2, 3, 5 and 9, you are getting 540. let me remind you that let me remind you only till you do this thing, this repetition of division, until it becomes one as undivided. It may not be all could be divided by this, but this you have to bear in your mind. So this is the way you have to do finding of LCM by division method, finding of HCF by division method. Okay, so I will suggest you to practice it at home and see how much you can expertise on it. I will request you to subscribe this channel and like it.